Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the video series, episode 2 on quantum mobility practice. And I myself is Sachin Sivan, and I'm as chair of the Center Department of Management and Risk Management. In yesterday's video, we had a brief introduction about the video solution we have about, and we stopped at a point in time where I showed that there are 24 form patterns that we'll be discussing and that will help you to make your interaction with GPT more interactive and the outputs more precise. But before that, I should it's my responsibility to tell you about what this app or this website that we are going to refer is. We are going to refer the free version of the chatgpt.com. You can go to the chatgpt.com, make an account. We are not going to look at the pro version as part of this workshop, and we can everybody can use this free workshop either on the website that you can see that it is chatgpt.com, or alternatively you can install their app. Both have the same interface, same performance, short choice, and what we want to do. And one thing I would like to say, if you are new to this domain, ChatGPT has a memory function. So you can go to settings and go to personalization, and under personalization, this memory tab. It's your choice. Keep it on or off. Right now it is off. What happens is if you keep it on, the new responses it will generate in the future, it will take a reference from the previous interaction. So if you want that, it should learn from your past interactions to generate the new responses. You can keep the memory function on. And if you do not want that to happen, if you want to keep your privacy intact, you can keep it off. So as you see, I've kept it off, and it is about let ChatGPT save and use memories when it's totally your choice to do it. So this area that you see is where you will give the prompts or the commands for the ChatGPT to perform or any other LLM that you are accessing in this generative AI environment. This is where you can write ask anything. Here there is a positive sign which has the add photos, take a photo, take screenshot. So when you will go to interacting with images or certain kind of data files, you can using these options. Then there is few tabs in which you can see that it has options like create an image if you want to make an image out of it. There is if something is not already stored in the model is not trained on that, these models have a cutoff date. So I can ask what is your cutoff date, that cutoff date is the date till which the data exists inside ChatGPT. So you can see it has answered that my knowledge cutoff date is June 2024. Let me slightly zoom in so that it is easy for everyone to read respective of the devices. So it reads that my knowledge cutoff date is June 2024, but it is almost mid-May of 2025, and June is about to come in. Today is 23rd of May when I am recording this lecture, 2025. So in 1 week or 7 to 8 days, June will start. So you can see that the new for your own. So then this option of the tools, search the web, that is called an RAG function, retrieve, offline, generate, where you can go to the web and search. So these things are, and get the latest information and present the results. We are not bound in the date in which it is having cut of date. Then we have the options of write or code, and if you want to have some coding done, you can do this and run deep research. So when we look at advanced topics in which we go to the like a scholar-based research and this kind of stuff, we can use deep research, scholarly articles if you want to write or scholarly text. And last is think for longer. So the thing is, ChatGPT or any other LLM that get using to work with, they are made to respond as fast as possible. Sometimes, as we have been when we go in the touch, think before you speak. So in case you want ChatGPT, take some pause to think or before giving us the output. Then you can say, let think for longer. So then it will the output is there is some more probability that the output will be more refined. But don't think that if you do not use it, the output will be totally uh, not fitting your needs. It is your choice. If you want it to give some more seconds to think before it starts responding, then you can start working. So this was about cutoff date and the all over layout of this. interface and look at it. So now what we'll do in the next video when I will start, I will go back and at this point in time on slide number 7, yesterday we were discussing that these two texts, more generate the prompt, more generate the output, and more specific the prompt, more specific. I have discussed that conceptually, but now using the actual hands-on version of ChatGPT, I will demonstrate what I mean by these two statements. So see you on the third video of the series soon, and thank you for your time. See you soon. Thank you.